Hi everyone, this is Niharika and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Tani Wani Makeovers. Today I am creating a very simple subtle look because I have very light color outfit and usually people carry brighter makeup with lighter color outfits, but wanted to keep it very subtle and youthful. So you'll see how I created this look. So let's get started. I have started with the Derma Krylon concealer, and after moisturizer, you can see I'm just blending it with my brush and spreading it all over my face. You just need to check which are the areas that you need to cover. You'll reapply the concealer there and you will have good coverage. For more coverage, you don't need to apply again and again the foundation on the entire of your face. Just apply it where you need coverage. Next, I'm using a NYX concealer. It's a very dewy, beautiful finished concealer. You can see my face already has started looking very glowy, dewy and youthful. So if you want to achieve any youthful look, try to avoid too much mattes on your face. As you can see, I am blending it on my entire face and then I'll be setting my face using a compact from MAC Cosmetics. It's the MAC powder foundation. Using a lip crayon. It's from Faces. It's a darker lip crayon rather than using a lip liner. I used a lip crayon, and here is the eyeshadow pencil from K Beauty that I'm using, and then I'm blending the eyeshadow on my entire eyelid area. I'm applying very subtle shimmer. It's a bronze, very light shade. Then I'm taking a brown color eyeshadow and I'm just finishing off my eyes. Next, I'm using again the LA Girl gel eyeliner. It's in the pencil form, but it gives the finish of a gel liner, and I'm topping it off with a liquid liner which is from NYX. It's a pen liner. It's very easy to use. You can see I did it all in one go, in one shot. Then I'm just filling my eyebrows using the Miss Claire. It's Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade medium brown. Whenever you do the makeup, do not forget to fill your eyebrows. It's very important. It kind of gives the dimension to your face. Then I am just applying mascara. It's from Essence. It's the Lash Princess mascara. And I'm applying a lipstick. It's from Maybelline. It's in the shade Clay Crush. Next, I'm using the bronzer. Applying the blush a little bit on the nose, and I'm blending my entire face. I've not applied, you can see, too much of bronzer today. I've just kept it very minimal because it's the daytime. So during the daytime, do not apply too much of bronzer. You will see the lines when you go out in the sunlight. In the end, I wanted to keep the lipstick kind of towards pink. It was too warm as compared to my outfit, so I'm adding a little bit hint of pink to the lipstick, and this is my final look. I hope you like it. If you have any request for any makeup looks, please let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.